Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll talk about how to create resolution field through Jira REST API. Whenever we are working on any issues, normally it will require to add resolutions once the defect will be fixed by developer. To have this field available, either we can create it through Jira Cloud or UI, or we can use REST API. For 1 and 2 instance, it will be good to add this resolution field through UI itself. But if you have too many resolution fields, better to prefer REST API. So I will show you from step-by-step process how we can create resolutions through Jira REST API. Here, we need two mandatory requirements for this. One, we need to have authorizations credentials as well as administrator access. And finally, we need the endpoints. So how we can get the endpoints? Here, you can just copy this complete domain name. If you have not logged in, first log in, copy this domain name, and then you can just straight away write REST, then API, and then to, that is a version name or number, and then resolution. Once we are done with this, the complete endpoint is generated for you. By using that, you can request any informations or create any informations through Postman. But we need to have one more mandatory things. One is authentication credentials. As of now, for throughout my REST API training, I am using basic authentications, which is already covered in my initial video. But if you don't know how to create it or how to configure it, feel free to refer my initial video of Jira REST API playlist, where you will get proper guidance how you can generate it or configure it inside Postman. Once the authentication is set up, navigate into the body sections. Here, if you are requesting or extracting any informations through REST API, straight away use get method, and by using this name, you can extract this detail. So click on send, you will have all the resolutions fields which is present in our Jira instance. Here, you can just go up and you'll see all those resolutions fields which is present is available here. That is get method. You can also see it from here. Just navigate into this issues and scroll down and see the field resolutions. You can see all those fields are listed there. If you want to create a new field, straight away add the name and descriptions. That is only two fields where you have to add it and click on add. Now, how we can add it through REST API? Change this method to post, and inside this body, simply click raw, and after that select JSON, because we are going to write the code or parameters in the JSON itself. So which all two fields will be required here? First, name and descriptions. These two fields is more than enough to create our resolution field. So I will specify here name and within double quote, because whichever fields we are using, we have to write it down in double quotes, and the value should be also in double quotes. So here I wanted to create a new field which is not present here. Let's see, I wanted to create new field as database issue, which is not present in this. So here database issue, and add semicolon, and after that we'll add description, then colon, add the descriptions. This is a REST API call resolution. Now that's it. Here, once I will click on send, this will create the resolution field with this ID. And whenever I will navigate it to this page, I have to just refresh it. Post refreshing, I can see database issue is created or resolution fields are created successfully, which is good enough. Now, if at any point of time I want to delete this resolutions, straight away change the endpoint with ID. It means we have to add the ID at the end. Click on delete. Select delete options from the method type and click on send. This will be deleted successfully. Here, once I will refresh this page, we have, okay, I think there's some issue, or maybe we can just navigate it to REST API page, and from there, we have to add the ID. So I think the ID is 10008. Once I will add it, this will be deleted successfully. And I think there will be some issues. That's the reason we were unable to delete it. But here, normally these are the method. Let me show you. Straight away, navigate it down and search for resolutions. So this is for project. Normally, these are the methods which even you can see this is the API call, and by using that, we can delete the resolution fields. So that's all about this video. If you wanted to learn more about Jira REST API, feel free to refer my REST API playlist. And if you wanted to learn more about Jira add-ons as well as Jira, it means Jira for Project Manager and Scrum Master, feel free to refer my complete Jira playlist where I've created around 118 video. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think there's any topic which is not present, which might be useful for others, feel free to add inside the comment sections based on the demand. I will be happy to create that topic for you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.